Doon sa dati kong trabaho, naging part ako ng recruitment team. So, kinailangan naming mag-recruit ng manager. Naghanap kami ng mga aplikante. Meron itong isang aplikante, tawagin natin si Mr. Vergara. In-interview namin. Pasado lahat, qualifications, okay, pwedeng-pwede. So, last question ko sa kanya, sabi ko, Mr. Vergara, can I ask you a different question? Hindi siya related sa job. Sabi niya, yes sir, sige, go ahead. Sabi ko, Mr. Vergara, if you could have dinner with anyone in the world, dead or alive, who would it be? Sabi niya, sir, alive. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, Mr. Vergara, sorry, I don't think you understood the question. Sabi ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, no sir, I think you said the question wrong. I think you stated it such that it's a trick question, and I believe that is not fair towards me. I think you should change the question and ask me again because I deserve a second chance. Sabi ko, I think, Mr. Vergara, that you are a gaslighter and a manipulator. You're hired, sabi ko. You're exactly what we need. CEO na siya ngayon.